Hello everyone, I am Deep Diwari. Today I will show you our grades page. Uh, it is a part of our student portal profile portfolio, and I am already explain boilerplate. Let's see. In this video, I will show you our grades page and student grades and marks, and let's start. I used header, part of top page, my grade. Firstly, you can see here with live server and my grades here, part of our top page in our doc. And next, I am using Nowtag for navigation. Inside we use UL for another list, and it's a provide a clickable link. And a we use anchor tag, that help of provide a link. You can see here when we click here profile, then he move next page, and we use grade pages. And here HR tag, HR defines for horizontal lines. I want to give a horizontal line in this page, and it's the main part of our page. We using main defines for main our web page. And field set, it's the main part of our page. Field set provide some areas and fields we using against legend. uh, Field sets here, you can see student detail. He provided text areas. In this field sets, I use legend tag. Legend provide sections of our main page, student detail. And again, I used p denoted by paragraph tag. And we use labels for when we click here name, then he show you here. We use our name and click here you can see. And again we use paragraph for labels, for attribute of my emails. And input placeholder, when we use placeholder, then he show you some here abcd. It's like a watermark type when we use placeholder. And again close our filter area. And br, when we use space, then we use br break lines. And again we use a subheading of h2, headline second, good overview. And here I used table for creating a table. You can see grade overview. And here tr and tr denoted by uh, table row. And I am taking a cell padding 5 and cell padding 0. And it's provide cells in this our table. And ts for tr and td table data. And here you can see courses and grades and credits. It's a main part of our table. And again lastly use a footer of bottom of my page. And it's a copyright p tag. And here 2025 student portal, and last close our body tag and HTML. Thank you so much.